guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing another haul video, but for this haul it will be for my Blackpink inspired clothing haul, just because I've been so obsessed with Blackpink recently. That's why I decided to hoard some items that is specifically inspired by them. And yeah, I got a few items that I wanted to show you guys, so let's get started. Before we proceed, guys, I forgot to mention that everything I got is from the website called Kooding.com, just because they carry a lot of Korean brands, also designer brands, which is perfect. That's why I'm so excited when I found out about their website. And yeah, and it's safe to say that they're probably one of my most favorite websites to shop my clothes at, just because it's everything. It's so cute. They also sell high quality items. That's why I'm super excited. Now let's get started. For the first item that I got from them is this tennis skirt. Now you guys, I've been on the hunt for a perfect tennis skirt for a while now, and I'm so happy that I found a perfect one finally. And the reason why I couldn't get the perfect one is because everything that I've tried on before is way too short for simple. That's probably it. And this one is not short at all. It's the perfect, it's just the perfect tennis skirt. Now let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's in this very pretty plaid brown color. I don't know if you guys can clearly see the pattern, but it's so high quality. If only you guys could feel this. It's really high quality, which is what I'm all about when it comes to clothing, just because I feel like this type of clothes is gonna last you very long, just because they're so good quality. It also has this stretchable back, which is perfect. So yeah, and also this is from the brand called Banana Bus, and yeah. All the items, so I'm just gonna insert a clip right here. And yeah, I got from Kooding is let me just explain. So this is inspired by Blackpink, just because if you guys haven't watched their As If It's Your Last music video, it's almost like they're always wearing this type of skirts. That's why I got this. Now next item that I got from them is also a skirt. Now you guys, Kooding has a lot of good quality, not quality, cute options for skirts from different brands. So yeah, so the next one, this is from the brand called New Vanilla. Yeah, this is from the brand called New Vanilla, up from Kooding, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It has this what do you call this? Is it a symmetrical, yeah, design right here, which, oh my gosh, you guys, it's super cute. Love the material. I'm not sure what you call this material, but it's super soft, and it's almost like denim, but a lot softer. From Kooding is also a skirt. Now you guys, I told you guys earlier that they have good quality skirts, and yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This one is also a tennis skirt, but this is just a basic one because it's black, and I think it's important to add up something basic, this type of basic clothing on your closet. And also this is Blackpink inspired, and if you guys didn't know, from what I've noticed, Blackpink really wears a lot of cute skirts. That's why I decided to hoard myself some of those skirts, and this is what it looks like. So it's super cute, and I also love the material. It's so high quality. Like this one, I'm not even lying, like this is like my go-to type of skirt. Whenever I don't know what to wear, I'm just gonna grab this on and like grab whatever printed or like this type of off shoulders. Like it's gonna look so cute, you guys. I can't even tell you guys how cute this is in person. Super high quality. I love it. You guys, you gotta try Cooting. Like, just try it. They're so good. You see, I'm lost for words. Okay, so next item that I got from Cooting is a pair of jeans. And you guys, jeans, I don't usually buy jeans just because I feel like I don't look good wearing jeans just because I'm pretty short and they make me look a lot more shorter. That's why I don't really like wearing jeans. But this one is such an exception because this is a high-waisted jeans. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look good, but you'll see. I'll try this out. And yeah, Cooting is this top. This is from the brand called Marrow Shop, and this is just a crop, like long sleeve tee. It also have a bell sleeve, which I think bell sleeve is quite on trend in Korea for about like I think last year. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's cropped, but not too much. And what I love about this is how comfortable the material is. Like these days I've been so into like comfy type of clothing just because I feel like it's important to look good and to feel comfortable wearing them, not just to look good. Is this mustard? Yeah, maybe it is mustard, but a little bit darker or like more brownish. I'm so bad at this for me. And lastly, I got a bag from Cooting. And this is from Chew. So I haven't used this bag actually because I wanted to use this when I'm like gonna go to a like what do you call this, like special occasions, or if I'm gonna go to like I don't know, I haven't figured out where or when I'm gonna use this, but I got it just because it's super cute. And look at this, it says nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay guys, so this is what the bag looks like. I've actually have a similar ones that I got from rosegal.com, and this one is from Chew, and this is so pretty, you guys. Like I really hope you could like see this in person just because it's super cute. Also, it's high quality, and I love the snap details right here. Like super cute. It also comes with like, where is it? Yeah. It also comes with this metal like chain that I believe is like the handle for this bag. It's super cute, and I'm so excited to use this. And you guys, the reason why I got this is because if you haven't watched the BLACKPINK house, there was this episode where they like give each other like gifts, and I believe Rose gave Jenny like this type of bag, like a furry type of bag, and it reminds me so much of them. It's just that she gave Jenny like a brown one and I got a black one, just because for brown one I already have one from Rose Skull and I wanted one that's really high quality and that I can use on like special occasions, and this is just the perfect bag for that. And I'm super excited to use this. And you guys, I've been keeping this on like this plastic just because I'm not gonna use this yet and I don't want it to like get dirty. Are the items that I got from Coding.com. If you guys are interested with all the products that I showed you guys, then everything will be on the description box below. I hope you guys could check that out if you're really into like K-fashion or you know like K-pop fashion, then that is the perfect place for you to shop because they have a lot of good options. And I'm so happy with everything that I got, and I hope you guys find this video useful. So if you guys wanted to see more of me in my videos, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.